Hey, so you're looking for a home business opportunity franchise for sale that you could buy or you could, own and actually make money from, right? Well, I'm here to show you a concept. If you don't know who I am, I'm Gio Gionta, and a couple years back I was $87,000 in debt. I made some bad investments, and I didn't know what I was going to do. I was stressed, I was depressed, and I just wanted out. I was working a job that I hated in fast food after college, and I just wanted more for myself, and I discovered the online space by some mentors that showed me a concept of where I could take my business from offline to online and actually start making real money online. So they showed me this concept of how I could do this and take my business totally online and start building an online income from the comfort of my home. And I'm going to show you that concept now. And here's some proof that I just got paid out today. And this happened today. So this came in, and then this is my second, payment, and this is an email that went out because I shared some proof of my earnings, right? So and I had no idea how this actually worked until I started to actually learn about online business. And so here's how it actually works. If you have something online, so your doors, this is called a capture page. This is like the doors to your business, right? The goal is to build up an email list. So they come to a page like this to where they can put in their email. When they put in their email, they go to a sales page. A sales page has a video on it. It's like this video. Then it has a button down here to where they could click on and get started. And even if they don't buy, right, then they are still in your funnel, and they get a series of follow-up emails that tell them about your product or service or opportunity, right? And then you build up an email list, and you use paid advertising to do that. You could use free advertising like this YouTube video. You could use Facebook. You could use other social media platforms in order to get your traffic, right? And so this whole process is important, right? So I didn't understand it till somebody explained it to me, and I'm lucky I did, because it changed the game for me, literally. Like it enabled me to find the right people that were actually looking for me. And I came across this system that actually allowed me to be able to build out my own funnels and learn about home business. So basically, here's what this consists of, right? This is all about home business opportunities, and it's for a small fraction of the cost as you would pay for a home business franchise, right? You're going to be amazed at the cost of this, because franchises could be very expensive. You could spend tens of thousands of dollars for a franchise, right? With online business, you don't do that. There's less cost, and you just pay for your tools and everything like that. Now I'm going to show you what this actually is. So when you get started in here's what happens is it tells you to watch these 3 videos first, and there's a welcome video, there's a Facebook community, and then there's the 3 simple steps to building any business online, right? Then it's going to show you about a funnel to start setting up your funnel, right? And if you don't know what a funnel is, it's going to show you how to get your domain to host the funnel on. Then it's going to show you the business email and domain setup. And then you're going to need an autoresponder. The autoresponder is the series of emails that they'll get. When they put their email in, they'll get a series of emails that go out to them promoting whatever you have to offer and building a relationship with them through email. So you could send them videos, you could send them different pieces of content, you could send them things like that they'll actually watch, and then that they'll get more information about, right? And then when you're building your funnel, you're going to want to know different things. You're going to want to know how to create your funnel pages, how to optimize for mobile, how to create a custom code in Pixel, which is a tracking pixel, so you'll know your numbers when people put their email in, you'll know exactly how many people do that, and it's by a code. It's by custom coding, right? And you'll know that, and then you'll know how to do it in Exapop. And Exapop is actually the error message that they get when they try to leave out of your funnel. They'll get a pop-up saying, no, wait, we have something else. Then it'll take them to something else. So they'll never leave your funnel because they'll get that pop-up, right? And then it'll also teach you how to actually do a share code. So anybody who signs up with you, you'll be able to share your funnel with people that sign up with you, right? And then you'll know how to actually do the tracking within your builder and track your leads. You'll know how to sell your own products, so you'll be able to know how to actually create your own products and sell them. You'll know how to do an upsell and a downsell, which an upsell is if they buy something from you within your sales funnel, it takes them to something else. It could be some training, something by video, and they could buy that for additional cost, right? So that's an upsell. A downsell is if they don't buy, you offer them something else of value for a lesser price, but the same amount of value. This teaches you how to create a membership site. So if you don't have a membership site is something that they could actually, log into like this and watch video modules of training or something of value that you could sell. It's going to also teach you how to do video hosting, how to have your pages, for anybody who joins you, how to book appointments. It's going to show you how to create graphics. It's going to show you how to do split testing, which split testing is actually, what you need to know to see what pages are converting and everything like that. So a split test shows you which pages are getting the most emails and which people are putting their email in the most, right? That's a split test. If you have 2 pages, you're going to get, email tips. You're also going to learn how to actually create your own, website. So that's very, very cool. And then there's also live coaching that you could get. And I'm going to tell you, this one funnel builder tool, it's only $25 a month, and you get $20 commissions, every single month from it. So anybody who signs up to use this tool to build their business, they get a $20 commission out of $25 a month. Well, that might not be a lot for you, but this could get very, very cool because, the next thing you got to know is once you have your funnel set up is you got to know how to get traffic. So what it's going to show you is actually how to get traffic. So it's going to show you about mindset. It's going to tell you who your target market is and how to actually build a lead magnet. A lead magnet is what you give away for free in order to get somebody's email. So that's a lead magnet, right? And so you're going to know how to do that, right? So this could be for anything. And then for the free methods of advertising, you're going to learn how to launch your business. You're going to learn how to invite people. You're going to learn how to follow up with people. You're going to learn how to get unlimited leads by Facebook. You're going to learn how to blog for your business. You're going to even learn how to rank your videos in YouTube, which is why you see my videos in the top of the search engines, because they are ranking in YouTube, right? You're going to learn how to do a podcast if you want to do a podcast, which is like a radio show. You're also going to learn how to get leads on LinkedIn, which are business professionals, and actually how to advertise on Facebook. You're going to learn how to do Facebook Lives as well, and you're going to learn how to launch your own products. So if you have a product that you created or you have some kind of business, you're going to give a presentation, give value on the front end, then you're going to sell on the back end. So let's say your information, your course or whatever you have is worth $500. You get 10 people on there, 5 of them convert at $500. The presentation took you an hour and a half. Do the math, right? It's very profitable. And then there's also coaching live. It's every day. There's a daily Grow Rich call, which is a daily mastermind during the morning to get your mind right. Then there's a nightly marketing call at Monday night, which is a mastermind, which everybody gets on. It's by Zoom, and it'll show you exactly what to do, what people are doing in their business. You're going to be able to ask questions and do all that. And then there's a Take Action Mastermind where the owners of this business actually show you, what they're doing in their business to get results and how to market your business online, right? Then there's some bonus trainings, and then there's some done for you funnels that you could plug in to actually get started. So I know you might not have any funnels set up, but you'll be able to set up funnels in here. And then, so this product alone, it gives you extra $100 a month. So think about that. That's $100 a month plus $20 a month. That's $120 a month just off of that alone. Now there's one other product which teaches you about finances. This is a $400 commission, right? So is what it's going to do. It's a one-time buy, and is what it's going to do is it's going to teach you how to eliminate debt, and it's going to teach you all about finances, and then it's going to show you what to do to reduce your taxes so you're not spending all your money in taxes, how to reduce your taxes, and strategies for retirement and planning, and also how to keep your records and bookkeeping together so that way you could build your business and have a profitable business. And then when you start making money, you got to know where to invest it. So it's going to teach you about investments and how to invest your money the right way into property, into real estate, into car flipping, into having other methods of passive income like mobile homes, and also property management and house flipping and asset protection and things like that. So this is going to teach you all about what to do with your finances once you start making money, and it's a $400 commission. So anybody who signs up with you, basically you can make over $500 off of one sign up, right? So if you have free videos like this on YouTube and you're getting traffic for free, then you're getting signups, and you could make $500 per sign up. Think about that. Or if you're doing paid advertising, you actually can make $500 per sign up, right? And if you get started with me today, what I'm going to do is actually show you how to get at least 1,000 people per month to your offer, to the landing page to actually put in their email and see more about this opportunity, right? So they're going to be able to see more about it, and you're going to be able to grow your business online. And think about that, $150 per month. So you're actually paying less than $600 one time to actually have a home business. That's phenomenal. You would spend thousands of dollars if you had a franchise, but if you get started with me, I'm going to show you how to get traffic to your offers. So what I'm going to need you to do is click on the link below this video and get started today. And also I have a private Facebook group that's in the description as well. It's free, and it's somewhere that you'll learn how to do marketing and build and grow your business. So click on the link below this video, and I'll talk to you soon.